My name is Snehan Shumitra and I lead the AI initiatives at NASSCOM. Proliferating the growth of the AI innovation ecosystem has been a core objective of the Center of Excellence for Data Science and AI. Innovate to Build, or as we call it I2B, is a co-ideate, co-innovate, co-create platform for enterprises to augment their and accelerate their AI capabilities in partnership with innovators and academia to solve real-world challenges. In the process, startups augment their AI capabilities and market reach, whereas enterprises get access to emerging AI solutions as well as talent. We are glad to partner with Fidelity for this edition of Innovate to Build called FidNovate, which will provide an opportunity to scale-ups as well as startups to create an M&A predictive solution with us. I'd like to invite Prateek, who is the head of innovation ecosystem at Fidelity, to announce the launch of FidNovate. Good luck and all the best to the participating teams. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Prateek Khare, and I head the innovation ecosystem for Fidelity Investments in Asia. I'm excited to announce the launch of our co-innovation platform, FidNovate, which this year is being anchored in partnership with NASSCOM. I have with me Mihir Shah, who's the head of data strategy at Fidelity Investments, and Satya Prakash Ranjan, who's the head of analytics research and data at Fidelity Investments in India. Mihir, first, I'd like to invite you to explain the uniqueness of our co-innovation platform that we're calling FidNovate.
Thanks, Prateek. At Fidelity, we recognize that breakthrough ideas can come from anyone. Internal to Fidelity, we have a pretty good ecosystem and a methodology where we work on and co-create new innovative ideas. FidNovate is unique because we extend that philosophy externally, and we want to leverage local ecosystem in order to solve real-world problems. With that intent, the FidNovate platform, which we are launching, will invite members of the startup and scale-up community in India to innovate and subsequently co-create with Fidelity. So this year, we are looking to develop an AI-based solution for a Fidelity-specific business scenario. It is unique in its proposition that while staying true to the principles of AI, by requiring to build data science-driven solution, it gives the participant an opportunity to apply one's understanding of business and industry landscape, financial management, to solve a problem on predicting mergers and acquisition. The FidNovate platform gives you the opportunity to demonstrate your business acumen and domain understanding with the problem statement, and then complement it with your technology capability. All this tabled with Fidelity leadership.
Thank you, Mihir. Satya, with you, I'd like to dive deeper into this M&A use case that Mihir was referring to, that we've identified for FidNovate this year. What can the participating startups expect to innovate on?
Thank you, Prateek. This use case is about prediction of mergers and acquisitions in the US market. The uniqueness of the challenge lies in exploring the possible ways we can use both the quantitative data which is available around a corporate, including its, let's say, financial health, as well as structured or unstructured qualitative data, like you have news articles, the analyst's point of view, earning reports, social media sentiments, and other things. And then help inform as to what could be a potential corporate action for a merger and acquisition. We would invite the startup community to develop an AI solution that predicts this potential M&As and combining both the quant and the qual data. Now, if you really look at the use case, the participants will have to apply, apart from sound business knowledge around this area, they will also like to use past data around as to why M&As happen, the industry scenario, the business models, future expansion plans, or financial health of the company. And then what do these parameters interplay and play a role in determining whether a company is likely to acquire someone or possibly runs the risk of getting acquired. And this, we believe, will present the participants of a very unique challenge in trying to apply data science and innovate and develop a very sophisticated model for doing this. In the past, we have had models which look at only one silo of this, either a quantitative model or a qualitative model. But I think this will allow them to combine both the techniques and then see if we can do something good in this space.
That's very exciting, Satya. Mihir, back to you briefly. If you can please share, where do you see the application of this solution in Fidelity's business context?
Yes, Pratik. I think if you understand Fidelity, we have thousands of institutional clients for our 401k business or workplace solutions business. We have, we do record keeping for institutional clients. We also do asset management where we actually, invest in companies on behalf of our shareholders. And then lastly, on our brokerage platform, we have large number of correspondents and advisors for whom we do clearing and custody. So if you look at our our majority of customers are institutional clients, this kind of solution really helps us understanding our customers better, predict really kind of what's happening in their domains in terms of if we can come up with a predictive solution using Fidnovate and be able to predict mergers and acquisitions, whether it's relationship management in our 401k business where we can stay ahead of any potential mergers and acquisitions and their impact on the employees, or it could be lead generation for new sales or cross-sell or upsell opportunities in case of our existing clients, which are likely to get acquired or are acquiring other companies. And then lastly, as you know, Fidelity is known for its asset management business. For our investment research teams, a model-driven prediction of mergers and acquisitions would be great to kind of help them in their investment decisions.
Pratik, let me ask you a question. Can you help elaborate on the format of this Fidnovate challenge?
Sure, thank you, Satya. So after registering their expression of interest, firstly, the participants will be invited to submit what we are calling an approach note, which will be around their analytical approach, their qualitative and quantitative data elements that they intend to use as input variables, the feature engineering that they intend to do, and lastly, the types of model that they plan to use. After the approach note is submitted, they can continue to work on their AI model for the next 10 weeks, at the end of which they'll be invited to present to a panel in a finale event. And here, based on the quality of outcomes and the feasibility of the scaling of the solution to production, Fidelity will partner with a winner or winners to co-create the solution in Fidelity's environment. So you see, there are multiple draws for a participant to participate in this. Number one, the chance to innovate on an industrious and a tricky challenge. Number two, the prize money itself. And lastly, but largely, the chance to co-create with Fidelity.
Great. Thank you, Pratik. So we are very excited about this. And if you are a scale-up or a startup company excited about co-creating an M&A predictive solution with us, we look forward to hearing from you soon and receive your submission.
Thank you, Satya, and thank you, Mihir, for your inputs. This is an exciting opportunity to co-create with one of the largest financial services organizations in the world and create future-oriented solutions. Register today to co-create the future of fintech.